Let's FOIL these quantities. So we have x plus 2 times this whole quantity, 3x squared plus 5x plus 7. So we notice that we have 2 terms in this one, in this quantity, and we have 3 terms in this quantity. So first thing we'll do is we take the first term here, this x, and we multiply times the first term of this quantity over here. So x times 3x squared will give 3x cubed, like so, right? Because this is understood to be x to the 1, and whenever you multiply a variable x times another variable x, you just add the exponents, right? So 3x cubed. And then we distribute to this next guy and add that term. So x times 5x is 5x squared, so plus 5x squared. And then finally to this last term here, x times 7, and we usually put the coefficient out front, right? So plus 7 times x. It's just a tradition of putting the number in front of the variable. It looks better, right? Okay. So then I'm going to get rid of this here because we understand what's going on now. Then we're going to move to this 2, and we're going to distribute it. So 2 times 3x squared is multiplied times the coefficient. So 2 times 3 is 6. So we have plus 6x squared. Then distribute this 2 times this 5x. 2 times 5x is 10x, so plus 10x. And then 2 times 7, and add that term. So 2 times 7 is 14, like so. Now we need to collect like terms, right? So we see that this 5x squared term here can be combined with this term here, because collecting like terms is the same as collecting like powers, right? And so 5x squared plus 6x squared will give 11x squared. We notice that this 3x cubed, that there's no other, 3x cubed, there's no other x cubed in any of the other terms, and so that term is just going to stand alone. It will not be combined with anything. And then this term and this term combined, so we have plus 11x squared. Notice I've underlined them to make note that I've taken that quantity into account, right? I've taken this quantity into account also, so I'll cross it out so I make sure that I don't count these quantities more than once, right? And then we have 7x and 10x. Those are like powers, so we can combine those. So 7x plus 10x is 17x, so plus 17x. And so we've taken that into account. We underline those. And then finally, there's only one constant, and we just put that on the end here, plus 14. And this is your final answer. Give full credit, move on to the next problem. I'm going to step to the side, give you a clear screenshot, try it for yourself.